everyone, hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome back to our maths class. In the previous class, we have studied about multiplication, its properties, and also the multiplication of a number by 10, 100 and thousands. Today in this class, we are moving on to our next questions in multiplication, the word problems. Okay, so here the first question is given here, which is 7,125 copies of the book Gita were printed last year. If each book had 329 pages, how many pages were printed? Okay, so this is the question, that is in every year the book Gita is being printed, and in the last year 7,125 copies were printed, and in every book, in each book it has 329 pages. These many things are given in the question, and we are asked to find how many pages were printed last year. We have to find the number of pages printed last year. Okay, so here we have to list down what all things are given in the question, and this number of copies printed. Number of copies printed is given, and it is 7,125. And also the number of pages in each book is given. In each book it has 329 pages. If each book had 329 pages, it is given in the question. So number of pages in each book is 329. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find the number of pages printed. We are asked to find the number of pages printed. So to find that, what we have to do? We have to multiply the number of total copies printed with the number of pages in one book. Okay, here we have to find the number of pages printed, and it is equal to 7,125 into 329, and 7,125 is the number of copies printed, and 329 is the number of pages in one book. Okay, so now let's multiply it and find the answer. And after doing multiplication, it's 9 into 5. 9 into 5 is 45. So we can write 5 here, and 4 is carried. 9 into 2. 9 into 2 gives 18. 18 plus 4 gives 22. So we can write 2 here, and 2 is carried. 9 into 1 gives 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 1 gives 64. Okay. Then 2 into 5. 2 into 5 gives 10. So we can write 0 here, and 1 is carried. 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 makes 5. Then 2 into 1. 2 into 1 gives 2. 2 into 7. 2 sevens are 14. You can write 14 here. Now 3 into 5. 3 fives are 15. So we can write 5 here, and 1 is carried. Then 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. Then 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Okay. Then 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. So we can write 1 here and 2 here. So our multiplication with the digits are over. Now here it's in this place. Here ones place it's 0. And here also in tens place and ones place it's 0. Now we can add these to get the answer. Okay, so on adding, 5 plus 0 gives 5. Again plus 0. 5 plus 0, it's 5 itself. 2 plus 0, it's 2. Again plus 0 gives 2 itself. 1 plus 5, it's 6. 6 plus 5 gives 11. So it's 1 here, and 1 is carried. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 gives 7. 7 plus 7 gives 14. So it is 1 here, carried. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 3 gives 14. 4 here, 1 is carried. 1 plus 1 makes 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then here again, here we got the final answer as 23,44,125, and it is the total number of pages printed that year. So number of pages printed is equal to 7,125 into 329, which is equal to 23,44,125. Okay, moving on to our next question, and the next question is, a bus carries 2457 passengers every day. How many passengers will it carry in a week? So, the number of passengers that a bus carries in one day is given. In one day, the bus carries 2457 passengers. Right, number of passengers carried in one day is given and it is 2457. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find how many passengers will it carry in a week. In a week, how many passengers will it carry? The bus carries how many passengers in a week? Okay, so in a week, we have to find the number of passengers in a week. So, in 1 week, there are how many days? 1 week equal to 7 days. So, we have to find the number of passengers in 7 days. We know how many passengers are carried in 1 day. So, to find the number of passengers in 7 days, what we have to do? We have to multiply number of passengers in 1 day with number of days. Okay. So, number of passengers carried in a week. That means in a week means in 7 days. So, number of passengers carried in a week equal to number of passengers carried in 1 day. In 1 day it is 2457 into number of days. In how many days we have to find? 7 days. Okay, so number of passengers carried in a week equal to find that we have to multiply 2457 into 7. And thus what is 2457? It is the number of passengers in 1 day and 7 is the number of days we have to find. Okay, so now we can multiply this and find the answer. Okay, so 2457 into 7. On doing it, 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. You can write 9 here and 4 is carried. 7 into 5 makes 35. 35 plus 4 gets 39. It's in 3, 9 here and 3 is carried. 7 into 4, 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 3 gives 31. 1 here, 3 is carried. 7 into 2, 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 3 gives 17. It is 17 here. So, after multiplying 2457 with 7, we got the product as 17,199 and it is the number of passengers carried in the week. So, the number of passengers carried in the week is 17,199. Okay. So, how we have found this? To find the number of passengers carried in a week, we have multiplied the number of passengers in 1 day. We were given how many passengers were carried in 1 day and also we multiplied it with the number of days. We were asked to find how many passengers to be carried in 7 days. So, to find that, we multiply number of passengers carried in 1 day into number of days. Okay. So, today we have studied the word problems in multiplication. Hope you understood how to do that. Okay. So, till then we meet for the next time. Be safe at home.